In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email address on LinkedIn using the mobile app. So let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the LinkedIn app. Once you have it open, take a look at the top left corner. You'll notice your profile icon right there. Go ahead and tap on that. It should take you directly to your profile. Now you're on your LinkedIn profile page and you might notice an Add section button. But what you want to focus on is the right side, where you'll see 3 horizontal dots. Tap those dots to open up a menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Contact Info. This section shows you your basic details, such as your email address, birthday, and profile ID. To add a new email, look toward the top right of your screen for a pencil icon. This icon lets you edit your contact information. Go ahead and tap it. You'll now enter an editing mode, which allows you to make changes to your personal info. Here, you're going to focus on the option near your current email. You'll notice an external link or a blue arrow situated beside it. Tap on either to proceed. Next, you'll see the option to Add Email Address. Tapping on this will open up a field where you can enter the new email you wish to add. Take your time to type in the new email address carefully. After you've entered the new email, you'll need to confirm your actions by entering your LinkedIn password. This is a security measure, just to make sure it's really you making these changes. Once you've filled out both fields, tap Submit. After submitting, LinkedIn will send a confirmation email to the address you just added. Congratulations, you're almost done. All you have to do now is go to your email inbox, find the confirmation email from LinkedIn, and follow the instructions to confirm the new address. Once confirmed, the email will officially be associated with your LinkedIn account, and you're all set. And that's it. You now know how to add an email address to your LinkedIn account through the mobile app. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.